In a time when survival was uncertain, a group of wanderers discovered a secret. "What if we guide them?" one suggested, pointing to the wild creatures grazing nearby. They began to nurture the sheep and goats, offering protection and care. "They trust us now," another observed, as the animals followed them willingly. This bond transformed their lives, providing warmth, food, and companionship. "Together, we thrive," they realized, as the once wild creatures became family. This harmony with nature taught them resilience and unity. To support us, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.